This is the 5-inch and this is a 6-inch drone. Maybe you've seen a video on YouTube lately where someone compared a 5-inch to a 6-inch, thinking, okay, maybe I want 5-inch because it's faster. I really disagree with that. If you are hitting the 800 grams mark or going up to a heavier setup, I'd absolutely go with the 6-inch. This one is good and it flies really great, but when you pair it with a Hero 9 or Hero 10, it feels slow and the acceleration for that mass is just not there. I went to a 6-inch and I've only used this one as a backup when this one is broken or anything, and this one just feels so much better. It has the power I want it to have and it can accelerate so fast. If you want to accelerate faster, I'm suggesting, if your motors can handle it, go to steeper pitch prop. I use 61 4.3 pitch. These are quite steep and I really like them. These are great and I feel I get much more acceleration out of this one compared to this one. This one is using 52 3.6 props and it's also great, but it's nowhere near as powerful as this one. Are you also considering going to a 6-inch? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Take a look at my channel. Most of my videos are with the 6-inch, and also click the like and subscribe button for more content, more videos. As always, get out there and get flying.
Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on a what? Yeah. You know I be on a what? Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on a what? Yeah. It's all hard, ain't no fear here. You ain't giving this at all, you steer clear. Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some money on the line, you better put it here. Rolling in and doing that work. Check priorities, I'm doing that first. Checks big and I'm sure that hurts, but it's checkmate, we ain't selling short, know the work. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind, cause I be on the work. Yeah. You know I be on the work. I'ma get it, you know I be on the what? Yeah, man, we coming for them bags. If they said I couldn't have, get the team. I got a vision for the things you ain't believe. And here's the motto, hard work is over everything. It's that comeback. I'm calling plays, hit the pass, then the run back. Yeah, I'm far ahead and gotta run laps. But we ain't letting up, we never done that. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind, cause I be on the way.